If you searched how to buy shares of CVD Equipment Corp, ticker CVV, this short guide will help and explain the basics. CVD Equipment Corp makes thin film and chemical vapor deposition equipment and trades on NASDAQ. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To place an order, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with a photo ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CVV to locate the company. Make sure you select the matching NASDAQ listing to reach the correct stock page. Open the asset page to read the company summary and view the live price chart. Confirm the company name, ticker CVV, and NASDAQ exchange before you continue. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may execute in the next session, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirmation. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is included in the description if you want to follow this example.